Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 12R, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, let's navigate to settings, and from here we want to scroll all the way down and select additional settings, then swipe down again and select backup and reset phone, erase all data. Now if you have some kind of screen lock, you'll need to confirm it right over here. Once you do so, it will give you this very brief and informative message. This will clear all data. We select erase data, and then it gives you another message. Are you sure you want to continue? This will erase all data and cannot be undone. Now what it means by all data is basically referring to photos, videos, documents, anything that you keep on your device, applications, Google accounts, all of those will be removed from the device. So if there's anything from this list that you would like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Now with that being said, assuming you have already made a backup or you simply don't want to, you can select erase all data, and this will now begin factory resetting your device. Now, this process will take about a minute to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.